a brand new release. It's called Seraphim Musk from the house of Zaharoff. If you're a first time visitor on my channel, welcome. And if you're not subscribed yet, I humbly request that you subscribe and hit the thumbs up button if you like fragrance related contents. Let's unbox Seraphim Musk and find out what the hype is all about. Everybody in the community, whoever bought this fragrance, has been saying it's insanely good. Well, I won't buy it until I smell it. So let's go ahead and check out Seraphim Musk. It's a brand new release in 2025, and this is the wonderful box. It's got all this wonderful temple-like calligraphy kind of thing, historical stuff. I was always bad with history. Guys, please go ahead and check out the Zaharoff website for the details with all this inscription and everything. But this particular packaging, I don't know if the camera is doing any good, but just look at the amount of details that has gone. It's like a whole chrome, full chrome swag right here. Like, it's all shiny. Of course, it's gonna be a fingerprint magnet, but who cares, man? This thing looks beautiful. Amazing details. Wow. Good job on this packaging, George. Really loved it. So Seraphim Musk, in one of George's live videos, I think he mentioned that Seraphim Musk is gonna rival Coco Loco. Coco Loco is one of my most favorite summertime fragrances from the house, and of course Citron is the first one, Coco Loco, and then of course let's see how Seraphim Musk does. First of all, look at this beautiful bottle, all those details, the graphics and everything, insanely good. And of course, if you are a first time buyer from Zaharoff, and if this is the first bottle that you bought, there's like a plastic on top of it. You gotta peel it off. I'll peel it off later on because I'll be doing some more photography work on this bottle. So first off, I want to tell you about the notes, and then I'm gonna do first couple of sprays and see what it's all about. So on the top, you've got some spicy bergamot, pink pepper, and Guatemalan cardamom. On the mids, you've got cistus leaves of Morocco, Mugain, and pink freesia with some cypriol. And on the base, you've got ebony wood, black musk, and leather, along with some black vanilla. So it seems to me that it has this concept where you get this dark, deep, and almost like this meditative kind of feeling. So let's go ahead and spray Seraphim Musk and see what it's all about. And of course, look at this beautiful juice color, man, light blue. I wonder what it smells like. Let's see. Okay, the cap is heavy and it feels like the whole thing is metal. It's not just plastic coated in chrome or whatever. Wow. That's all I can say. Any leaks? No leaks so far. Let's go ahead and spray this baby. Let's see what it smells like. Here goes. Seraphim Musk first impression. Interesting. Pretty interesting. So you're welcome with this nice, fresh, yet a hint of darkness. Some leathery, mild animalic notes coming through. Of course, like black musk, to the best of my knowledge, black musk is one of those musks that has this nice, almost like a floral kind of base, I guess. Like, I'm not too good with musks yet. I'm still exploring, of course, but I do get this nice floral vibe about it. There's a nice, smooth, creamy kind of leather. Wow, something else working in the background, and it smells very refreshing. Maybe it's a cardamom. So the opening is extremely fresh. Leather, elegant one. Some spiciness, yet it's smooth. It's not one of that hot burning kind of spice. It's really smooth and nice. Cooling almost, has this cooling effect on your mind, I would say. Some kind of a very nice, mysterious, soothing vibe in the background. I cannot explain what. Almost has that nice fruity, pulpy kind of vibe. Something that you would get from Coco Loco if you have not smelled it. It's almost like that soft, delicate coconut flesh. It's almost like that. That's the kind of texture that I'm getting. Has some wonderful sweetness about it. The leather coming through is very mild. It's noticeable. You know it's leather, but it's not that dark, deep, danky kind of leather. It's really smooth, soothing. Smells extremely elegant, I must say. And just so you know, if you're still confused and if you still wanted to hear it from me, this is not a sponsored bottle. So of course I bought it with my own money. So of course, don't think I'm gonna give you some biased thoughts about it. If you are confused, of course they offer samples on their official website. Go ahead and check them out. Nobody asked you to buy a full bottle and then regret it, of course. So yeah, do your due diligence, right? It's light. It's not dense. It's light. It's easy wearing. Maybe down the line you will get that musk coming through more. Of course it's gonna open up a lot, but it's only the first couple of minutes. And so far it's smelling fantastic. Will it rival Coco Loco? George, you put me in a tight spot today. It's making me choose now. I don't know what to say at this point. It almost takes you to a deep meditative level for sure. 100%. It's a whole different kind of fragrance because, to the best of my experience, my best experience with this house, I don't own every Zaharoff fragrance, but I own quite a lot. Go ahead and check out all the other reviews on my channel. But to me, this one, Seraphim Musk, it does not smell like something else. Maybe I did skip a few releases, of course, on purpose, but that's okay. But to the best of my knowledge, Seraphim Musk does not smell like anything else. Extremely unique. It's really nice. And is it good for hot, humid weather? As I'm recording this video today, right here, right now in New York City, it's hot and a sweaty day. It's raining outside, but without the breeze or anything, it's bad. I'm literally sweating inside my t-shirt. And this thing is smelling so nice because, again, of course, micro droplets, of course, but my skin's all it's got a film of sweat on top of it. So I think this one is doing a fantastic job. 100% can be worn during the hot, sweaty summer days. 100%. Wonderful, the nice, mild florals, freshness. There's a characteristic depth to it. It's at a whole different level. A mild animalic tone. Of course, it's got that musk, the black musk. As far as I know, black musk does offer you that animalic vibe. Wonderful, man. My God. The more I'm smelling it, it's smelling so addictive. Just makes me, keep on sniffing my hand right now. Wow. Beautiful stuff. Really loved it, George. Till date, of course, everybody says this Zaharoff is the best, that Zaharoff is the best. Again, I would say too, this is really, really good. I wouldn't say the best. I'm pretty sure the best is reserved for the last, but this one is extremely well done. Congratulations. Beautiful. Wow. Very gentlemanly, very elegant. And of course, it's airy. It will not overwhelm your senses. It's not gonna make you feel suffocated or whatsoever. Beautiful stuff. Very clean, easy to wear. Seraphim Musk from Zaharoff. Guys, let me know in the comments if you have tried this particular fragrance or any other Zaharoff fragrances that you have recently purchased. What are your thoughts and experience? If there's any other musk-based fragrance, do leave me a comment and let me know. I'll be more than happy to check them out whenever I can. And thank you for staying on my channel. Again, if you made it this far, you're not subscribed, I humbly request, please subscribe, help my channel grow. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button if you like contents like these. I will see you in the next one. Until then, please take care, stay safe, and all the best.